Hello everyone, this is Vivian from Eastern Tech. Welcome to our company. We have 10 years experience in one-stop wire harness solution. These samples from our customers. Let's go to see new machines. Today we are going to see a crimping applicator. Let's go to see the packing condition. This is our model EW09H005. The package adopts pressure-resistant and anti-fall design. We can install it on semi-automatic wire crimping machine easily. 4-point crimping applicator is suitable for 1 square millimeters to 35 square millimeters. We can install it on semi-automatic wire crimping machine easily, and it can work very well with crimping machine. Please feel free to contact us if you are interested.